In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this drip effect in After Effects. Alright, so once you have After Effects open, let's go to the project panel. If you don't see that, go to Window and make sure that's checked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and create a new composition. I'm going to do 1920 by 1080, frame rate 30, and I'm going to keep the duration at 30 seconds and click OK. And if you like, you could go here, select the text, and you could type in any text you want. And you can change the size here, change the text, everything there. But I'm going to use a PNG logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So I'm going to double click the project panel and let's go ahead and import this. Just drag this to the timeline. I'm at S for scale and I'm going to bring the size of it down. Say about right there, should be good. Now let's go to the effect panel. So let's go to Window, Effects and Preset. Now just type in CC Smear and let's drag that, drop it to our logo. And let's go ahead and select the from. Just make a point here and I'm gonna drag this up like that. The 2 point, select that, go right underneath it. Make a point there. And the reach, you can see it is already making the effect. The radius, you can change the size of it. The larger, I'm gonna keep it at about 35. And I'm just going to zoom in. And I'm just going to fix the point here. I'm gonna put it right there. Now let's go ahead and create a keyframe. Make sure we're at the beginning. Create a keyframe for the reach. And hit U to bring up the keyframe there. I'm gonna go out 15 frames and create a keyframe for the reach. Let's go to the beginning, change that to 0. And let's go to here. Drag it to the right, say about 26 or 226. And let's play it, see how that looks. Alright, that looks good. And zoom in here so we can see this. And I'm gonna go here, do page down, it will go 1 frame, create a keyframe, change that to 0, and let's go out again, say about right there, create another keyframe. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna have it loop out. So right now it's just 1 drip. To make it loop out, hold Alt, select the time, select the arrow, let's go to Property and select Loop Out. And when it goes here, it should keep on continuing dripping. And you could always change the, if you bring that further out, the drip will take longer. So once it hit that, now it's gonna loop right there. So I hope that makes sense. Now let's go ahead and right click this. Let's do keyframe assistant, easy in. And this one, or actually just go ahead and select both. Right click, easy ease. Just go ahead and same thing for here, easy ease. All right, now let's go to the effect and let's drag 1, 2. So I'm gonna add 2 more. And again, I'm just do a U to bring up the keyframe. And I'm going to go ahead and select this. I'm gonna copy this. Go ahead and do Control C. Go to smear 2, Control V. Same thing to 3, Control V. And we have this. Now let's go to the smear number number 4. Let's change the from. So I'm gonna put the point there. 2 right underneath it. Same thing with the 5. Change it to there. 2 right underneath it. Now it's just kind of like doing all the same thing. But all you have to do is just change that one there, maybe there, this one further out, and then maybe this one. Let's drag the whole thing to the right. Same thing here. Now let's see how that looks. So now it looks more random. And you could even change the, say like the smear number 4, we could change the radius. Maybe we want to make it smaller, say 20. Then maybe number 5, maybe make it bigger, change that to 80. Maybe that's too much. Let's do 40. Alright, I think that looks good. Alright, so the last thing to do is go to the effect again and let's type in glow. Down to the stylize. Let's drag that to the logo. And let's go ahead and change the radius. Let's do about 50. Alright, so I like that. That looks good. If you want to learn how to do the neon flickering light, here's a tutorial on it.